All right, here is your instructional video on how to make your interactive Explorer map. You want to go to Google Maps, okay? So I just typed it into the Google homepage, pops up, and there you have a map of North Vancouver. Come over here to My Places, and you need to sign in, and you sign in using the Gmail account that you created earlier. So I'm going to sign in. And obviously you sign in using your account so that you're the one who can work on it. So we need to create a map. So we got this big red button over here, create map. Let's do socials 9 video, map video, description. Cool. Save. So now we're ready to actually start plotting points and indicating lines and place marks on your map. This little arrow up here, if you click it, that white bar disappears and you can see more of the map at once. If you need it to come back, click it again and you're good. We're going to keep it disappeared for right now because we need to see lots of space, and we want to move the map over, so just clicking and dragging so that we can see the east coast of Canada and the west coast of Europe at the same time. Okay? You can zoom in or you can zoom out. Whatever works for you. I don't really care. You want to pick the line tool to start. Okay? So now your cursor's changed to a cross, and the first place you click is where your explorer started. So our first explorer is going to be John Cabot, and he sailed from England under the flag of England, even though he was an Italian. Okay, so we're going to click just over here by London, one click to start, drag over. He landed on the shores of Newfoundland, and 2 clicks to finish. Okay. So you enter a name, so you can say Cabot 1497, sailed under English flag, landed in Newfoundland, first European recorded. Oh. Cool. We can also change the color of the line. So we've got red, we've got purple, we've got black. I'm going to do red, so I'll select that one and click OK. All right, so there we have our first line. Now, if you want to place a marker, you're going to click on this upside down teardrop shape that you have up here in the corner. And just go there and bring this back. Sometimes it will skip, and you just need to change it to the hand tool and drag it back to where you want to go. So let's select the hand tool, or the place mark tool. And we're going to put it on Newfoundland shores. And we'll put and you can call it anything you want. It's totally up to you. So okay. And you can also change the color of the place mark by clicking on the box. Obviously we've got red. You can change it to thumbtack. You can change it to an airplane. You can change it to whatever you want. I would recommend keeping it the same color so that it's you can easily tell that this red line is also related to this red place mark. And we'll click OK. So you're going to keep doing that for all of the explorers that you've got on your chart. You want to put at least one place mark for each of them. Select a line, go to the cross, one click to start, one click to change directions. If your explorer traveled a bunch of different places, some of them traveled up and down the coast, the east coast, you can move it around as much as you want, and then 2 clicks to finish. Okay, get rid of that again. Let's change the color. Let's make it yellow. And okay, and we'll do a description is okay, and click OK. If you don't like it, you click delete and it completely disappears. So you want to include everybody on the map, starting with the Vikings. As you get closer into some of the finer areas around the Gulf of St. Lawrence and the Gaspé Peninsula, which is right here, you can zoom in. So there you see there's Gaspé. So we can put a place mark there. Okay, and we'll put okay, we can change it, make it, let's see, what do we have here? Ooh, we could make a $sign because he did do some trading. Okay, and then when we zoom out again, it's still there, but because we had zoomed in originally, it's a little bit more accurate. So play around with it. When you're done, you're going to click, obviously, so if that was disappeared, pull it back out again, click Save, and Done. It'll automatically direct you to the edit page. These are the points that you've placed on it. So we've got Cabot, we've got First Contact with North America, and we've got Cartier. If we need to edit it, we realize there's a spelling mistake or there's something wrong with it, click Edit. And we can change it to or we can click on the place marks, move them around. We can't actually move the lines. Okay, so you can move the points, but you can't move the lines once you've placed them. Oh, I'm lying. So you can move the lines around. Okay, so you need to select the boxes to do that. All right. One thing you want to make sure is that it is public. So if it's unlisted, I won't be able to see it and I won't be able to give you any marks. If it's public, or sorry, actually you want to make it unlisted. My apologies. Make it unlisted and then you can email me the link to it and I'll be able to give you marks for it. So you go Done, and then all you need to do is click here, the little chain link button, get this, copy it, and email it to me at my school address. Okay, so you can go send to MROBER, there I am, mroberge at nvsd44.bc.ca, and send, and I'll get it. So that's all you need to do. You can watch this video as many times as you want. If you need any help, come up and find me. But other than that, it's going to be pretty straightforward adding your points and your lines. Thanks.